Hello, my name is Fahim. Right now, I'm unboxing these products in front of you. Just look at it. So this item, smartwatch, earbuds and smart brush are just for, in Indian rupees it is 600, in Bahrain it is 3 dinar. Per item cost in dollar $2.65. So the items are very useful. So it came in like in 25 days. So this smartwatch is very useful. It can track, it can show your time, it can track your BPM, steps, calories, etc, etc. So it is a very good watch. This one is earbuds. It is a very good product, worth it. See, I'm using it now. This is a very good product. So you can use it for 2 days, worth it. So this is a smart brush. Okay, let me show you. This is a smart brush. Just you can see, you can remove it also. Active. Yeah, take this out and you can open it. Whoa. Just it gives a vibration vibes. That's it. Smart brush. So these 3 products are very good product. I'll recommend you to buy it from AliExpress also. Worth it. Thank you and subscribe it.